Hey there, everyone. Welcome to Pixie Chick community. I am so excited to have you here today. Whether you are first time visitor or one of our amazing people of this community, thank you by stopping by and choosing to spend a little of your time with us. If this is your first time here, let me quickly tell you what we are all about. Here we dive into all types of pixie bob hairstyles, long and short pixie hairstyles. You will find out the latest trends of all types of pixie bob haircuts, whether you want long pixie haircuts or short pixie haircuts. Whether you have curly, straight, or wavy hair, any type of your hair, this will inspire you. We are building a awesome community of curious minds and passionate people who love pixie hairstyles. If you like that sounds, so you are in the right place. I want you waiting much longer. So let's today we are exploring the pixie hairstyles, which are very demanding, most attractive and gorgeous. A bold, versatile, and timeless look been a favorite for decades. Pixie hairstyles are timeless and versatile, a choice offering the options to suit different preferences and hair types. For those who love texture and movement, so this cut add volume and layers to your hair. Perfect for all hair texture and all face shapes. It will often enhance with highlights. So if you prefer long pixie hairstyles, this cut provides styling flexibility and give bold and edgy vibe. So this cut screams confidence. So if you pixie hairstyles pair up with other colors and highlights to take it to the next level. It's playful and great for framing the face according to your personality. So you will have a look that both effortless and chic. So this is the best choice for you. And there you have word to divorce the word of pixie hairstyles, whether you want sleek, classic, bold, edgy or playful and texture, there is a pixie hairstyles and cuts that enhance your personality and lifestyles. So are you waiting for? Let's wrap up your personality with new look with these hairstyles. So there are most trending hairstyles shared in this video. Talk to your stylist and embrace the pixie revolution. So if you are a new here, turn on notifications to links with other videos. So boost your confidence and express individuality in fun and vibrant ways. So like this video and share with other for new hairstyles and find the look that speaks to you. This style is great for short hair and work beautifully in both winter and spring season. So this cut is going to be helpful for even long hairs. And while your hair don't forget to hit that like button. So if you enjoy what you are watching, make sure to subscribe so never miss out latest updates. Turn on notification bell. It's best way to stay updated when we drop new content. So drop a comment below to support us to bring a new latest styles of Pixie Bob hairstyles. So stay connected.